In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic sliders in Wix Studio. We'll create a clean slider-style gallery using a horizontal repeater so you can showcase images in a way that looks modern, loads quickly, and is simple to update later. Start by opening Wix Studio and heading to your site's workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the option to work on your site's design. Click Edit Site to launch the Studio Editor. This is where we'll build and style everything. In the editor, open the Add Elements panel. This is your toolbox for adding structure and content. From here, look for Layout Tools. Layout Tools contains building blocks like containers and repeaters that help you manage content consistently. Select Repeaters. A repeater is perfect for a slider-like layout because it lets you design one item and have it repeat as many times as you need, keeping everything uniform and easy to maintain. Choose a horizontal layout. Horizontal alignments are ideal for a slider feel, placing items side by side so visitors can browse through them in a natural, swipe-friendly way. Once the repeater is added to your page, position it where you want your slider to live and resize the frame to fit your design. Think of the repeater as a strip containing identical cards. Each card can hold an image, text, or buttons. The key is to design one item well and let the repeater handle the rest. Inside one of the repeater items, click Add Media on the image placeholder. This opens your media manager. Choose the image you want to feature. If you're uploading a new file, aim for optimized, web-friendly sizes and consistent aspect ratios to keep the slider smooth and professional. Adding descriptive alt text is a great accessibility and SEO habit. After selecting your image, click Add to Page. The image will drop into your repeater item. You can repeat this selection process for other items to build out your full set of slides. If your images have different orientations, consider using the same cropping option across items to keep everything aligned. With your images in place, you can now edit your slider's look and feel. Use the design panel to adjust spacing between items, tweak padding and margins, and refine the item's styling, such as borders, corner radius, and shadows. You can also layer text or a subtle overlay on each image for captions or calls to action. Finally, check alignment and size across breakpoints so the slider feels great on both desktop and mobile. That's it. Your dynamic slider is set up and ready to shine.